It's 12 a.m. and this means that I can finally check off this day because we're going to Disney World. And for the moment of truth, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, Glitter Jewels. As you can see, we are on the line and we are about to go in. We are not missing our flight this time.
Keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on and anytime you are seated. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle until it clicks. Adjust the strap low and tight across your leg.
Scenery first, right? So apparently, in order to get to our seat, we have to catch the elevator to the 4th floor.
The 4th floor? The 4th floor is crazy.
So I'm like, what in the world they got in the back and the cut? All right, set.
4 floors.
Hit the floor. You do the honors. Hit the button.
Ooh.
Come on, elevator.
3.
It's coming. This is a little weird. Let's see what they got on the wall. Dining at Planet Hollywood Observatory. Dining at Planet Hollywood Observatory is a dramatic audio-visual experience. Please note that the experience includes bright lights, strobe lights, loud music, flash digital images, and large format videos. Ooh. Swanky! And I'm a YouTuber, so you know I had to get on video. Go ahead, glitter tools. Alright, y'all, so this is the part where they make you sing along, and people are actually singing along. Oh, carnicles, y'all missed that. It was cute though. Good morning, Glitter Jewels. It is early, hecka early in the morning. We are already here. Magic Kingdom. It's our first day in the parks, officially. How you feeling, Seth?
I'm feeling great.
Feeling great. And no, I'm not gonna be vlogging the whole time because I'm about to have some fun. And y'all know how I am about that.
Yeah. Okay.
Gee, it's nice to see you. Are you having fun?
Well, yes, I am Pinocchio. Thank you.
Now this is the life when your kid's driving you around. I could do this all day. So we came home for a midday break, and it's about 3 and we're trying to head back to the park, but Stephen won't get up. I already done tried to wake him up one time, so now I gotta re-go and try again. But yeah, we're going to the park for part 2 of our day. We've already rode like 3 or 4 of the most popular rides, so half of our popular ride going on is done, so that's good.
From the parade.
Goofy's on there too!
Aww.
And Pluto!
I'm so glad you are making this celebration. This is so much fun!
He's rocking it out! So we are trying to low-key waste a heck of a lot of time because our next lightning lane, which is like a fast pass, how you cut the line, isn't for 30 minutes. So we are in a shop called Fantasy Fair, and I'm gonna just take a look around. Their cool things is a ceiling. Look, check it out. Aww. So cute. I'm not gonna front, I'm just tired. Sab, you tired?
I'm tired, but I'm excited too.
Yeah, we just waiting for the Uber so we can be outie. We're at the Contemporary Resort. It's a top secret. You're going to Magic Kingdom. Don't get on a monorail. Don't get on a ferry. Just take your Uber to Contemporary Resort and walk over in like 7 minutes.
Have a very sensitive skin, and it acts as a natural sunscreen for them. First thing a baby giraffe will experience is gravity. As mom gives birth standing up, so it's a nice 6-foot welcome drop into the world.
Alright, Glitter Jewels, so we are in the Nomad Lounge and it was hecka hard to get in here. How long it took us to get in here, Seven?
It took us like more than an hour to get here.
Yeah, and the only thing about Disney World is you can get super exhausted. Like, I've been making him take naps, but I haven't taken naps, so I'm dead tired. So y'all gonna see all kind of bags underneath my eyes. But what did you order?
Oh, I ordered I believe it's called the smoked pork ribs.
Okay, and I ordered the lobster mac and cheese. I've only had that once in my life before, so hopefully it tops that. I'm super excited, but it's beautiful in here. I'll show y'all around in a little second. Lobster mac and cheese. Would you like to eat first? Here. Open wide. What do you think? Here, let me try. Tasty. He wasn't afraid.
Oh, why is he built like that?
So I just found a major hack. If you ever go to Animal Kingdom and you want to get on Avatar and you haven't gotten on it, straight go to it after the show. The show is at like 6:15. There's a tree lighting, and then book it to Avatar, and you will not have to wait for 90 minutes. Because we sure could not get a lighting lane for it all day unless we paid extra, and I wasn't paying extra. And we surely got on this line about, what, 12 minutes ago? And we're about to get on.